So with Bellmont, we have an unbelievable amount of options in terms of door finish. So what you're going to be able to see, we've pulled together a few of the offerings because there's just too many to talk about. But I wanted to start, this is a 1600 series. That's the middle of the road price line. This is a painted option. You can see this has a nice finish to it, and you can choose how shiny you want the finish. Then we go into laminates. So these are not real wood, it's a laminate material. But you can see here we have a nice book match. The grain goes consistently through from the top panel to the cabinet panel. This one, it's a little hard to see, but there's a subtle difference. It's all vertical grain, but it's not perfectly book matched. You can see some of this going up doesn't match exactly, but the general feeling is the same. The next few I want to show you are all rift white oak. So this is a vertical grain on the main cabinet door with horizontal grain on the drawers. This one has a beautiful stain on it. It's rich. You can see some of the texture, but it's not too forward in terms of wood tone. And then we get into some more traditional looks. We've got two different versions of shaker style here. We've got the wider and then the more narrow. This has got the horizontal grain here. This is what you call a 5-panel shaker door. So the frame itself is real wood. You're going to have natural variation because wood is natural. If you want to minimize the amount of variation in the wood tone, consider putting a glaze or a stain on it, and that will help make it more consistent. There are some woods like hickory that are going to have a very dramatic variation in wood tone. The center panel on both of these is a veneer. So solid wood 5-panel frame with veneer in the center. If you like the tone of wood and the texture, but you don't necessarily want the color, then you can consider a darker stain or a light white stain. So that you're getting that texture, again, with the rift oak, but not all the wood tone. So people just don't like that kind of wood tone or feeling. This is a walnut door. This is a more modern take on the shaker style. So it's a very thin 1/2 inch, again, solid wood frame with a veneer panel. Walnut is beautiful. You do have to watch out if you're going to put walnut in the sun, it will mellow in the sun, so it'll get lighter and sometimes a little bit orangey. So if you have a really bright room and you're putting the kitchen in direct light, you want to consider whether walnut's a good idea. Now we're getting into the 1300 series. So these doors are going to be more affordable. The 1300 series, as I mentioned, has different dimensions, and that's how they're keeping things more affordable. You'll see how these doors are all taller. There are differences in what you can get for upper cabinet heights and different widths in the 1300 series in order to make it simpler and help you save money. These are some of the standard colors. This is, again, a take on the shaker door, but it's all one molded piece. This is one that we really like, which has got this very thin edge with a nice shadow line, and this has a little groove to it. Both of these do, which are really easy to clean. Sometimes the hard edge of this wood can pick up a lot of dust, and some people don't like that in terms of maintenance. More simple palette in the 1300. There aren't as many choices, but they do have some beautiful wood tones that you can look at, and this is a very nice one that we use all the time, one of our favorites. We also just got a new door in that we're excited about. We really like the green color. And again, this is another version on the shaker. So we really liked this green tone. And if you consider looking at it against these other shakers, this is the narrow 1/2 inch and this is that 1 inch. So it's somewhere between kind of contemporary and traditional. But again, fun to see a different painted color option. Keep in mind, you can always match your cabinets to any color you want. There is just an upcharge to do that.